What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is basically running a channel without ever actually having to show your face. And that is the simplest way to express it there, because when you're running a channel like YouTube automation, you become the business owner, not the creator. So what it does is it takes all the heavy lifting out, because now you can actually hire a team to do all the work for you. And I'll explain that in a second. So YouTube automation, you're seeing more and more videos online where it's using a lot of stock photography and a lot of voiceover in the background. Okay, now, while that's nice and to look at and to hear, we know that a lot of those channels are doing very, very well. And I'll show you some examples in the very end as to which ones are doing very well and why you should kind of entertain the idea at the moment while everything's really hot right now. So once again, we've explained, what is it? It's a no-face video. Your face is not in it as a content creator. So you're going to be using stock footage. So there are sites out there like Pixabay. There's different sites you can use, you paid for, that you can use for stock photography or video. And then you want to be anonymous, and that's kind of the whole point of this whole thing, is you're not pulling back the curtain because you're not actually behind it. So nobody actually knows who you are creating the video content. And that's a kind of a nice thing too. So you're not going to have the same type of interaction as you would as a content creator. So what is the best approach? Well, you can do it all yourself, right? I mean, you could come up with the voiceovers, you could come up with the scripts, you can come up with putting the videos together and editing them. It's long, it's tedious, it takes a lot of time, but it's better not to do it yourself, but to outsource. So what sites can you use for that? Well, there's simple sites that you can use in a reasonably priced way. So it could be Fiverr, it could be Upwork, and using sites like this, you can have somebody do all the heavy lifting for you and then make sure that you, during the research, so that when you put these videos together, these are topics that people are actually searching for anyways. So why YouTube automation? I mean, after all, you can make money off ad revenue, but what else can you make money off of? Well, when you're creating videos on YouTube, you have the ability to double down and make more. So that could be CPA marketing, it could be affiliate marketing. It's not limited to that. I do a lot of different things online besides ad revenue, and because of that, it creates more revenue based on one video. And think about it for a minute here. One video that stays on YouTube could create enough revenue to kind of probably surprise most people what you could make off one video, and it doesn't take a lot of time to do when you're hiring somebody else to do it. So let's say, for instance, you made a video in the beginning of the year and it cost you $20, but you made, $220 off of it. Let's just give you an example. That's a pretty good profit margin, okay? The whole idea is keep putting content out there and compounding it. Keep putting more videos out there based on what you're doing. And if something works, double down, make more videos just like that one. Remember, at the end of the day, it is your virtual real estate. Your virtual real estate. Now imagine opening up a restaurant, what it would cost to have a building, to hire people, to put, there's so much involved. What is the food cost? This is virtual real estate. So you're not going to have that same type of overhead cost as you would in the physical world. And that's why this is such a special business model. And again, you can keep making revenue. Now let me show you a few channels here just to kind of show you what other people are doing and how you can make money online with faceless YouTube automation videos. All right, before I show you some examples of 3 channels that are basically YouTube automated channels, they're no face videos, I want to quickly mention you need to research your topic. This is the order I would go with. Research your topic, write your script, create a voiceover, and video edit. And pretty much the 2 through 4 you can have someone else do as you outsource it. But these are the 4 steps to YouTube automation. Let's show you the first channel here. This one's called What If. Now, What If is kind of interesting. This is sort of a science-based type channel. Yes, there's a lot involved in this channel. You can tell by the thumbnails, they grab you right away. This is something that you can be inspired by. I'm not saying you have to do the exact same thing, but this will give you a better idea by watching the videos how they use stock footage, whether it's video or photography. Now, this one here is in the health niche. It's called Body Hub. You can see by the thumbnails, they grab you right away. Once again, this is a niche that's very popular. And the last one here I want to show you is the best football quiz. Once again, these aren't limited to these, but I just want to show you there's different types of niches that you could get into, and you can tell they're very engaging, interactive. So hopefully this helps out.
Once again, thanks for following the channel here, and be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this.